Have you ever wondered what you wanted to be when you grew up? A teacher? An artist? A graphic design specialist? Well, the hottest new jobs are in manufacturing. And today in Lancaster, PA, it's a way of life. Today we're heading to the H&H Printing Company. Let's go.
My name is Nate Heisey, and I'm the operations manager here at the H&H Group. So the type of products that we manufacture here are printed goods, anything from business cards and books to banners and signs. Printing in general is a really cool industry to be in, just because we get to create a practical type of art that you can see out in the public.
My name is Sean Lee. I am a wide format designer, and I also help out in wide format production. Some of the coolest things I have about my job is it's never the same. Everything we do here is custom, it's all new, everything allows me to be very creative. This is our brand new R1000 flatbed printer. This is brand new technology. We actually can print full latex coverage prints on this. Any substrate, any material. We can do anything from a simple piece of PVC all the way up to probably a wood door. If I really wanted to, I could print a full door on here.
My name is Mary Kohler, and I am the CEO of the company. I think being in manufacturing in general is really good. With manufacturing, you're making things, you're doing things, you're creating things that other people probably cannot create themselves in their home.
My name is Alan Martin. I'm a press operator. For people looking to come into the print industry or any manufacturing industry, pick a career that you like, that you find interesting. There's a lot of pride in a finished product. Like, I worked on that and I made it and it looks nice.
My name is Tabitha Below. I'm the supervisor of our fulfillment department and shipping and receiving. Every day you never know what you're going to get to make or create. It's always something new. It's fun, it's exciting.
So what's so cool about printing is no matter where you go, no matter where you're at, you'll always find something that's printed.
So that's what's so cool about manufacturing. Thanks, Nate. Thanks, H&H, for having us. If you want to learn more about manufacturing, you can go to www.whatsocool.org.